Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to do our workbook page number 42 and 43, in which we are going to learn how to write capital and small n in 4 lines. Okay students, now we learn how to write capital and small n in the 4 lines. As you know, the capital letter always comes in the first 3 lines, and the small n is a grass letter. It comes in the middle 2 lines. Now let's see how we write capital N in 4 lines. For firstly, you have to draw a straight line starting from the first line to the third line, just like this. Then take a slanting line, make a slanting line from starting from the first line to the third line, just like this. And then we have to make another straight line starting from here, and it ends and join the slanting line. That is how we write capital N. Small n is a grass letter, so it comes in the middle 2 lines. For small n, make a small straight line just like this, and then move back to the same line and make a turn before coming to the starting point, and take a turn and make a line like this, and that is how we write small n. Now take a look how we write small n another time. Make a straight line, came back on the same line and make a turn before the starting point and make it fix. That is how we write small n. Now take a look another time. For capital letter, make a straight line from in the first 3 lines just like this. Then draw a slanting line, and then make another straight line, and it joins the slanting line like this. For small n, make a straight line in the middle 2 lines as it is a grass letter. Then go back to the straight line and move it to the just like this. So that is how we write capital and small n. Here are some vocabulary related to the n. As you know, the sound of n is yes. So it's n nose.
N nose.
Next is
N nurse. N nail. N net.
Okay. Now practice to write capital and small n in the 4 lines. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.